In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist in Wrike. Whether you're managing projects or simply trying to keep your tasks organized, using a checklist in Wrike can streamline your workflow and keep everything in one place. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Wrike workspace. This is where all your projects and tasks reside. If you're not already familiar with Wrike, it serves as a powerful tool for project management, enabling collaboration and task organization right at your fingertips. Once you're in your workspace, take a moment to look around if you're new to the platform. It's packed with features that really help in organizing your team's efforts. Next, navigate to the specific project or folder where you want to add your checklist. It's important to choose the right spot because this helps keep related tasks and information neatly in place. When you're organizing your work, try to think of projects as containers that hold all the tasks you'll be addressing, so selecting the right one from the get-go makes a big difference in keeping everything organized. Now that you're in the right project or folder, the next step is to create or open a task within this space. If you're creating a new task, remember to give it a clear, concise name so it's easily identifiable later. Task creation is straightforward, and it's an excellent way to isolate specific pieces of work within a project. Should there already be an existing task needing a checklist, simply open that task. Opening your task will bring up the task details, which is where you will insert your checklist. To add your checklist, look for the description area within the task details. The description area is versatile, letting you add various details about your task, and crucially, it's where our checklist will go. While it may seem daunting at first, adding a checklist here is quite intuitive. It's all about contributing to how effectively the task can be executed from start to finish. If you're not seeing an immediate option for inserting a checklist, don't worry. You might need to use the toolbar located at the top of the description area. It's packed with various formatting options designed to help you enhance or organize your task details. Look for the checklist icon, which often appears as a small checkbox. Clicking this icon will enable you to start building your checklist right there in the description area. It's designed to be user-friendly, so you can easily add, reorder, or check off items as needed. And there you have it, the steps to create a checklist in Wrike, allowing you to keep your tasks and projects even more organized. With your checklist in place, you're all set to manage your tasks with greater efficiency. Remember, the key to using any tool like Wrike effectively lies in consistently keeping your information updated and well organized, ensuring you and your team can work seamlessly together. Happy organizing!